Welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe for the vibes.
Make sure you like, comment, share, turn on your notification bell so whenever we post a video of good food and laughter, you will receive it. Also, guys, give this video a thumbs up for this sloppy burger me and babe is about to devour.
If you have nothing good to say, don't say anything. We're going to say grace. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. Amen.
Amen.
I hope you guys are having a wonderful week and had something wonderful to eat. On the menu today, Babe and I made some sloppy burgers, and we are going to be showing you a little clip of how we made it on the side here. So take a look at this, and we're gonna eat while you're looking at how we made that little burger here. And we have some fries on the side. They've gotten cold, but it's okay. It's okay. No, it's still good. I hope you guys.
Tastes good.
Hmm?
It does taste good.
It does, right? Yeah. Usually cold fries are not
Good.
Yeah, but this one
It is really cool.
Yeah. But it's good though.
Hold on here, guys. I have some ketchup and mayo. That's my favorite sauce.
I just have ketchup.
I'm gonna put it up here for the dip. So, baby, guys, in the burger we have mayo, ketchup, the burger meat, cheese, lettuce, tomato, and Italian sausage,
Yeah.
onion, sweet pepper, scallion. This should be a treat.
That was really good though.
Yeah.
Really, really good. This is the longest Babe has ever taken to take a bite of her food.
Because baby is that greedy. Baby's just that greedy. Huh?
Usually. How is it?
Good. Oh my God.
It tastes everything, don't you? Oh. Yeah, I don't even need an extra ketchup like I normally dip it.
This is good, guys.
This is really good.
And this was a quick make.
You did good with it.
I aim to please the wife.
You did good though.
Oh, and it's really messy, guys. Really messy.
So today we're gonna be doing a little story time. This might be a one-sided story time, but you know, we're not judging anybody here. Okay? But we're doing a story time of how we came out. And you guys could tell if this is one-sided or not. I won't say.
How did you came out?
To be honest, I'm excited to say this. I don't have a coming out story. I don't think that my story would be
The first lesbian. That will not have a coming out story. This is fascinating to me.
It is, because I'm going to explain why. Ever since I was growing up, I had the opportunity to be me, you know, to do what I wanted to do. And I always felt comfortable just doing what I wanted to do. So I never felt like, and then I used to have...
You've been rebellious from birth.
Yes, very much so. I would like to think so. When I was younger, I used to wear my brother's clothing. I did nothing girly. So I would like to think, if you were smart enough, you would have figured it out from when I was younger. But just in case you didn't, I was always very vocal about certain things. And my daddy was a great listener. So I don't think I had to come out really. I just did what I wanted to do. And I was very much supported with it. So yeah. That's my coming out. I'm not sure if it's a coming out story or just a story.
It's something, all right.
I'm not sure. I'm just not sure.
The burger is really sloppy for real.
Mm-hmm.
My whole hand is messed up.
Mm-hmm. What about you?
I can't top that.
I know. Listen, don't even try.
Guys, I can't top that, baby.
Don't even try. This doesn't make sense.
I can't top that.
It's okay. Just do you.
Do me?
Mm-hmm.
All right. You had a great life.
I had great people around me. Let me put it that way. And they never tried to change me in any way whatsoever, you know. So, yeah.
Well, for all the unfortunate lesbians and gays out there
I do apologize.
who's not like Jay,
Mm-hmm.
including myself, here's my coming out story. So I never came out.
But that's not a story. There you go.
Look, I never came out. I came out. I would say that I told my mom when 2018.
At least you did.
No, but I've been doing it undercover. Look.
Hold on. What did you say you were doing it undercover for?
Oh my God. Oh my. Since I was in single digit.
Wow.
Since I was in single digit, yeah. Mm-hmm.
Really?
Yep.
And nobody knew.
I don't know if nobody knew, but I was raised kind of differently. I was brought up Christian. Majority of my family is Christian. I was brought up in the church. I was in the church choir. Babe knows the story. Babe knows the story. She's not like, oh wow, it's the first I'm hearing this.
No, I know it's not the first, but I don't know. I guess because I wasn't raised like that, it always just catches me off guard. Like, I know I'm aware that it happens, but you know.
No, nobody told me to hide it.
Mm-hmm.
I just hid it because, you know what, the teachings of what I was told. So nobody told me like, yo, you have to. Mm-hmm. No, I was scared shitless out of my mind.
That if you did.
That if I did, for one, forgive me for this. Now I know better, but I have to say this. For one, for sure I thought I was going to hell. Two, I thought for sure my family would disown me. And three, it was too much pressure to say it because in my head at the time, I kind of knew better. But now I know better, you know. So, I never said it.
But what was the feeling like? Knowing that you're doing it, but you can't say it.
It was devastating. Jesus, oh my God, it was devastating.
You was waiting for that one, weren't you? Okay.
For one, I had to cover up my entire life. I was out there having relation. I'm gonna say relation. Mm-hmm. I was out there having relation with men, knowing that it wasn't clicking for me.
Yeah, I understand now. I get it.
So I was sleeping with women in the meantime, on the DM, and then on top of that, introducing them as my friend.
Okay. So even though you were introducing them as your friends, no one suspected anything was going on besides.
I don't know, they suspected, or they was in denial, or they hope I was going through a phase. I don't know what it was, but nobody said anything.
Oh.
But then I started coming out to friends.
Mm-hmm.
Little by little, I started coming out to friends like, yo, this is what I like, blah, blah, blah. But the thing about it is, after a while I started still lying because eventually I would have lost friends over it. Mm-hmm. Or if there was women, they'll be like, all of a sudden, I have a thing for them.
I don't know why women get like that. It's crazy. But I have always told you, it's hard for me to imagine the feeling.
It's horrifying. It's a horrifying feeling to think that you have to choose between yourself and God. And I keep asking myself, why would God instill this in me? Because it's from birth. It's not new. Why would God instill this in me? And then the teaching that I've gotten, it was man should be with woman, be married. You know how that goes, right? So it was very hard.
I'm not gonna say I didn't get that same teaching where everybody has that you're supposed to be with a man and this and that and whatever. The thing is, it never felt comfortable.
Being with a man?
No,
the teaching.
Not the teaching itself. I always felt it was so unfair. Like, why do a person specifically have to be with a man? I just didn't get it.
I think you should just be with who you love.
Yeah.
The sex have nothing to do with it because when you love, like really love, you love it from your soul, your core. You know how you know. I'm sorry. How you know if your soul core is a man or a woman?
No.
But look, Jay, I reached a point where I completely dim myself. Look, dim myself enough, hiding from God. How the hell you hide from God?
I have no idea. You gotta tell me that one.
Hoping that he's not seeing what I'm doing, because in my head, he's already judging me of being with a woman, right?
I think it's unfair to raise kids in certain teachings without them experiencing what the world is like.
Right.
Yeah. Because the world offers its own teachings. So how
my teaching
confusing
was this is a sin.
That's the thing. So how confusing was it for you when you realized that you're not the only person doing it? I'm not the only person like this. So if I'm going to hell, I'm assuming that everybody else who's doing what I'm doing is pretty much going there. But they don't act like that.
And mind you, when I was a girl, back when I was young, there was a lot of female doing it. Just wasn't saying it.
That's the thing, and that's what I grew up on, because I grew up saying it ever since I was younger. Like, I've always said it. Like, I would sleep with a girl and all of that good stuff, even when it was so-called tabooed back in Jamaica or whatever. But the people that I hang around with, I don't know if I was just lucky to meet open-minded people or people who are like me, but it was a strong debate at all times, but it was still just a free-flowing conversation without judgment whatsoever.
Now look, I am not stating that I've been around bad people or my parents was bad or no. They probably was devastated when they realized I was into females, because listen, I was devastated as well. So if they taught me what they learned, trust me and believe, they was devastated. So it's the understanding of it.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm not saying that I haven't been around good people, no. Jamaica is different.
Mm-mm. That's where I disagree. I think people and their mindset is different. It's not the country, it's the people in the country.
Maybe you're right. But it's been a long road.
You made it far.
It's been a long road. Live your life authentically. Who you are is who you are. The way you dress is the way you dress. The way you speak is the way you speak. It's you once it's you.
I agree.
Don't allow anyone to take that from you. It belongs to you.
Guys, I'm full.
Look at that.
I am.
So look, guys, it's not a sob story because, you know, I made it out alive.
That's true.
And I'm happy today. And I can now teach my son the teaching that I didn't get, to love without prejudice or judgment. Just love, you know.
I'm just gonna say this. Your mindset is a rather important thing, and it shapes a lot of the decisions that we make in life. I think one should occasionally reset one's mindset, because things and times do change.
Things and time change for me, because now I'm gay and I'm proud. I never thought I would say that. Never, ever in my entire life. No.
Say it again.
I was gay, but I was not proud.
Say it again.
I'm gay and I'm proud. Love yourself. It doesn't matter who loves you. It does not matter. Love yourself.
That is the most important thing.
Live for yourself. I spent 20 years living for my entire family and friends. 20 years.
That's a long time.
So, I wasn't fully comfortable with myself until Jay came in my life. Because as you can see, she don't care. It is just what it is.
You know, it's not.
And look, even when Jay came in my life, this is how fearful I was. You know, even when Jay came in my life, I was still telling people that Jay's my friend, my sister, my cousin, whatever comes to my mouth at the time when I'm introducing her. That's what I'm saying.
Well, we'll have another story time on that one. Definitely. Because that was a rather interesting phase. Because as you could tell, I've never hid anything. I don't know. So we'll have another story time on when I was Babe's friend's sister, cousin, and everything.
She was the whole nine.
It was. I'm surprised. Yeah, I'm surprised I wasn't your doctor at one point.
Privately.
Yeah. Oh,
privately,
yeah.
My GYN, my doctor, my therapist.
That's true.
Privately.
That's true.
All right, cool.
We thank you guys so much for joining us for our story time. Comment down below and let us know what you think about our delicious, delicious sloppy burgers today. If you made it this far, don't forget to like this video. If you made it this far, don't forget to subscribe for the vibes. Thank you guys.
Until we meet you again, until we see you again, have a good time, have a fun time, have a jolly time. Hey guys, put laughter in your life, so it will light you up. Love yourself.
Bye, guys.